guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change language preferences in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to change the language but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it without any delays. So once you open your Steam app, make sure you're logged in, and after that just go ahead and open your settings. So you can either just choose Command and Comma to open it, or just go to Steam right at the top and select Preferences. So Preferences is the same as Settings, so make sure you're not confused with that. And now all you need to do is find Interface. So Interface should be right between Notification Library. Just go ahead and tap there, and right at the top you can find Steam Client Language. So this is the language that you want Steam to use, so make sure you select it carefully. So it also says that after you select the language that you want, the app will restart. So just select the language that you want from here. So guys, that's how you change language preferences in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.